Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Congratulations of Holy Ramadan. And today, those who are watching this class from far and near, all are welcome to this class. I can't see you. It's a very sad thing for me, but you can see me. The time is very problematic, but we will have to continue our activities to overcome this situation. Okay. So, madam, let us go to our main business. You can remember that I conducted a class previous month, and there is the recap class of our previous class. You remember that we have learned our today's topic is transformation of sentences, and we are transforming voice. And in our previous class we learned these things: definition of voice, active voice and passive voice, and we learned how to identify subject, verb, object. And also we learned subjective and objective form of noun and pronoun. And also we have gathered knowledge about person, and also we practiced present indefinite tense on that day. I think you can remember well. Today we will practice present continuous tense, and we shall try to practice present perfect. Time allows me. So before going to our practice session, we should know some things. We should have some knowledges. Let us see them. We should know about use of auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verb means those type of verb that helps the main verb to perform the action. Okay. So auxiliary verb can be divided into mainly two parts. One is primary auxiliary and another is modal auxiliary. So let us see what are primary auxiliary verbs. Primary auxiliary verbs can be again divided into three parts. To be verb, you know them. Am, is, are, was, were. And another one is to have verbs. These are have, has, and had. Have, has, and had. Again, another type of auxiliary verb, primary auxiliary. This is called to do verb. These are do, did, does. You please write down them. And about modal auxiliary verb, I am writing them. Shall, should, can, could, may, might, ought to, used to, had better, and would rather. You see them and write down them, because they will be necessary in our every steps. Primary auxiliary, I say again, primary auxiliary verbs can be divided into two parts, primary and modal, primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary verb. Primary auxiliary is again divided into three parts, to be verb, am, is, are, was, were. To have verb, have, has, had. Have, has, had. And to do verb, do, did, does. Okay. And another important information for you, these to be verbs can be used as main verb in a sentence. Okay. Okay. And especially there is another information for you.